The following video is a guide on how to use the Macfab 75 baler. Firstly, place 2 number strapping rolls on the bar above the compaction chamber. Next, tread the strapping down into the baler chamber. With the compaction head in the down position, open both doors. Pull each strap over the top of the chamber and around the pin located at the back of the baler. The straps are then placed into each of the U-shaped channels. Close the bottom door, then loop and knot each strap and push into the slots provided. Load your material into the bale chamber and close the top door. Press the start button and push the lever valve down to run a cycle. At full stroke, press the start button and push the lever valve up. Repeat the process of loading and compacting material into the chamber. When the compaction plate reaches the bale full decal on the top door, it is time to tie and complete the bale. With the compaction head fully up, open the top door. Next, using the tie feed bar, pull the straps from the back of the baler. Then pull the straps through the bottom door slots. Make sure you have enough strapping to tie the bale and cut the strapping. Only the bottom portion of the cut strapping needs to stay in the slot for tying. Close the top door. Press the start button and press the lever valve down. Tension and knot the top and bottom ends on each of the straps. Press the start button and push the lever valve up. Open both top and bottom doors. Using the trolley, eject the bale.